Do you want to save money this summer because working is way too hard to be wasting a single penny? I suppose. Yeah, why not? But at the same time, you want cute new clothes that make you feel awesome? Well, that's a big yes from me. All whilst being more sustainable and kind to our planet Earth? I'd love that, yes! Oh boy, do I have the right video for you. So in this video, I will show you how to turn this into this into this, this into this into this, and this into this. To turn your old skinny jeans into a pair of cycling shorts, all you have to do is cut the legs off at your desired length and then fold and iron the raw edges over and hem them with a couple of fine stitches. Alternatively, you can just leave them and let them fray a bit. And then you're already done and have got a great new pair of cycling shorts. To turn the scraps of your shorts DIY into a dream of an Instagrammable top, you will need to cut your scraps along the seam. Next, you need to soak the scraps in a bleach bath if, like me, you'd rather have a lighter shade of denim for your top. After washing your scraps, you need to cut your scraps in half lengthwise and cut out the original seam. You then need to cut your scraps into thinner strips until they are all roughly the same size. Now you can just pin them all together with the wrong sides facing. Yes, you heard that correctly, wrong sides facing, and attach them all to another. You then turn your rectangle into a top by sewing the sides together into one loop. Next, you need to throw the top in the wash for ultimate fraying, and finished is your new sort of corset denim top. Turn your old crewneck jumper into something a little more summer appropriate. All you have to do is cut off the bottom hem as well as the sleeves, and thanks to the wonderful fabric that jersey is, you won't have to hem a thing. Make sure to keep the scraps because we will turn these into some cute accessories. And within seconds, you've got yourself a cute little t-shirt. To turn the jumper scraps into accessories, we first of all need to cut them apart. Next, you need to cut your sleeves into the shape of a rectangle, which you then sew together into one big piece, fold that over and sew it right sides together along the top. You should now have a double layered rectangle that you turn right sides out and placing the seam along the middle. Lastly, you fold the rectangle into a loop right sides together and attach the sides together, but placing them off center and folding the remaining fabric over like so. Once you've sewn this together, you should have a finished headband with a cute knotting detail. The bottom rib cuff of the jumper I'm simply turning into a scrunchie following one of the many tutorials here on YouTube. And then we are done with our 4 super quick and easy winter to summer transformations. There you have it, a quick, straight to the point, not challenging your attention span video. If you still don't feel like subscribing, then I think nothing is ever going to convince you.